Hey, beautiful soul. So many are feeling confused and not sure what direction they want to take. This is a pattern coming up strongly in these energies. It is like you know what you want but are scared to commit to it. You are in your head wanting everything to be perfect, or you don't want to do it. The thing is, we cannot control the ups and downs of life. All we can do is listen to our hearts and take a leap of faith. Stop procrastinating, stop trying to control, leave the perfectionism behind and stop other thinkings. Your head will not give you the answers you are looking for. Drop into your heart and start taking aligned actions. Type yes